Times Now accesses exclusive visuals of an encounter that took place between our army jawans and terrorists. The encounter was raging in Ganderbal in Jammu and Kashmir between terrorists and our brave jawans. 2 terrorists have already been killed in that attack. An army jawan has also been injured in that attack. Exclusive visuals of the fierce gun battle that's taking place in the Ganderbal district in Jammu and Kashmir between terrorists and our brave jawans, and this is the 4th day of that encounter. Our correspondent Farid is joining us on the story. Farid, give us more details.
Well, yes, Times Now has managed to access these exclusive visuals from basically the ground zero of this encounter. This encounter, which you rightly said, has been on from the last 4 days. It started when the security forces, that's the army and the police, the 24 Rashtriya Rifles, 9 Rashtriya Rifles, 13 Rashtriya Rifles had this specific intelligence input that a big group of militants is hiding inside the Chitragul forest of Ganderbal. Immediately, the search party was sent in, and 4 days back in the wee hours of the morning, they had this contact with the hiding militants, and it was at this time that the gunfight started. Now, at this time also, I can tell you from last 4 days, this operation is continuing deep inside the Chitragul forest. 2 militants have been killed so far. 1 army jawan has been injured, and still our sources tell us that there could be anywhere between 5 to 6 heavily armed militants who are still hiding inside the dense forest in Chitragul and are taking full advantage of the thick vegetation there. They are really playing a hide-and-seek with the army. The army is really on the relentless hot pursuit of these militants. Now, the problem is that, of course, as I said, it's a jungle setting. It's the forest is very thick, so the problem is that the visibility is pretty less. Hardly the army can move inch by inch so that they do not have any casualty on their side. So they are moving cautiously, but yes, the operation is continuing. And in these visuals, you can clearly see as to how the army jawans are confronting these militants who are hiding deep inside the valley there, inside the jungles. They are using machine gun fire as well as UBGLs, under barrel grenade launchers, to really strike at the militants. But at this time also, as I said, 2 militants have been killed, while still around 5 to 6 heavily armed militants are hiding inside this forest, and they have really adopted a clever strategy where they have really distributed themselves, scattered themselves in a group of 1 or 2, and then so that the army really doesn't focus on one particular area and has to spread its operation. So that's why it's taking longer than usual, but the army is on it and the operation is continuing at this time.